We're getting to speak to students about manufacturing and the different jobs that we offer as well. So they were given a task of developing either a product or manufacture some type of prototype that either several different industries can use, or it can be specialized to one specific industry.
You never really think of the things you use, you kind of just use it because you've always grown up with it, but like everything you use is manufacturing and people take time and make it.
Letting students get that early exposure of the different possibilities out there. So when we think about beyond BA, we know that Broken Arrow's the top manufacturing city in the state, with over 300 manufacturers and employees, over 7,000 jobs.
I'm in Tulsa Tech and I go to the high school every morning for my first hour, so I always wanted to be an engineer. And today, like, robotic engineering is part of manufacturing, so it only helps my career.
What interested me was engineering because I'm a very hands-on person. I like to use my hands to do things. And so it just kind of interested me because, you know, during manufacturing, you're building things in the engineering part, so that just interested me. I didn't realize that you could make like so much money because it's actually a really good paying job, especially the engineering part.
Everybody hears of welders, people hear of engineers, but they don't always hear of CNC machinists or test facility technicians or development engineers.
I think it's firsthand knowledge. We could talk as teachers about with the different possibilities that are out there in the manufacturing world, but to actually have people from the companies come in and speak with our students about what it's like to be in their field. I mean, I think that's the firsthand knowledge is second to none.